AdTech 100 pack 4-inch mini glue sticks for crafting, and home repair number W22934ZIP100 bulk clear. 100 count length, 4 inches diameter, 0.28 inches for mini-sized guns. High temp for high-temperature glue guns. AdTech glue sticks are the crafter's preferred choice 5-to-1 over alternative hot melt glue sticks. AdTech hot glue bonds strong in less than 30 seconds. No waste, never dries out. Non-toxic, clear and non-yellowing. Works on wood, metal, glass, cardboard, paper, cardstock, synthetic materials and more. AdTech glue sticks are made in the USA, and all products are USA engineered, designed, and quality control. For best results, pair with AdTech's quality, USA engineered hot glue guns. Viscosity at 350 degrees Fahrenheit 176 degrees centigrade, 11,000 shear tensile pine, site 377. Click the link in the description to get this product.